This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. We have a Miele Incognito dishwasher that is cutting out early. It's got the flashing red light, intake drain light going, indicating there's an error. And you can hear the circulation pump run, then it cuts out, run, cut out, run, cut out. So something's wrong with the pump. And when we open it, we have the intake drain light flashing. I can feel a lot of heat, so I know the heater's working. So we want to run a test. And to do that, first thing, we have to turn off the power. So press this button. Power's off. Close the door. Open the door again. I'm going to press the 2 and 3 button. At the same time, I'm pressing the power button, which is this one. So I press 2 and 3 together, power 1, and we have these two blink. That's indicating that we did get to the right service mode. It's called service mode 2. So intake drain light is flashing and salt light is flashing. Alright, so the next step, this is from a manual. You can get online, and it's if you want to find it, it's G600/G800 technical information PDF, and it has great information on the Incognito model. So we're in service mode 2. We want to access fault codes, so we go access service mode 2, which we did, and then press the flashing program button 5. So number 5 is flashing. We're going to press that. And then we have 1 and 2 flashing. Let's see what we should do now. Okay, press the flashing program button 1. Okay, did that. One of the program button lights 1 through 5 will light up, indicating a stored fault code of F0 through F4. If none of them do light up, if none of those light up, then press number 6 one time, and that'll give you more possible codes. So press 6, and we get a number 4 lights up. So number 4 did light up, and that indicates if program button 6 was pressed, which we did, and we get a 4, that means we have fault code F08, and that's a water intake failure or the heater level switch. So maybe the water valve isn't letting in enough water. If it's the correct amount of water, it should be to a certain height. Let's take a look. Alright, so the water is just touching the bottom of the white plastic filter handle. That's exactly right. So if we still have a problem, then it may be the heater pressure switch is not working correctly. If you want to get rid of the water down there, continue the cycle, what you can do is just turn the power button off, everything goes blank, and then turn it back on, and then pick a different cycle. Like we'll maybe pick a rinse and hold number 6. When you close it, it'll drain. If the drain system's working, I can hear it draining. That'll get all that water out. The code that was given shows something wrong with the circulation pump not producing enough water pressure. It could be that the capacitor is just getting old and needs to be replaced. Also, there might be some type of an obstruction in the pump around the impeller. So we're going to take it apart and put a new capacitor in, and also see if there's anything in the pump that may be blocking the pump's ability to create enough water pressure. And we'll also be replacing the heater pressure switch just in case, but it's probably working right. It's just the pump is not able to produce enough pressure, and that's why the dishwasher runs, cuts out over and over, and that's an F08. Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.